Okay, today we're gonna put a chainsaw chain back on the arm here. So you can see the chain slipped from the chainsaw. So I'm just gonna put it back on. Put it on the side. There's 2 bolts here you just take off. Comes with this tool. Pretty handy. It just sits with the it just sits underneath the chainsaw. So okay. Take the lid off, and then just put the chain back on. So you want to move the bar all the way back, so you can put the chain back on. That slipped. Okay. This shit all goes into the bar. It's in line. Okay. Now it's in place. You want to sort of pull it out a little bit. Give it some tension. So at this point, I'm gonna put the cap back on. Put the bolts back on loosely. This should be the right tension right here. Just a little bit more probably, just make it a little tighter. There you go. And run the track fine. Now you can screw down the bolts all the way down. Yep, looks good. And pull it to make sure it moves freely. Everything's set. Alright, that's it. That's how you fix a slip chain on a chainsaw.